Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. I am your teacher, Leo.
And hi, everyone. I am Anna. Leo, can we start quickly today?
Why the rush, Anna? Are you busy?
No, I am not busy. I am just starving. My stomach is making noises. Listen.
Oh, wow. That sounds like an angry tiger in your stomach.
It is. I am dreaming of a big hamburger, crispy fries, and a giant soda.
Well, you are in luck, Anna, because today we're going to the most delicious place in the world. We're going to a restaurant.
Yes, finally. A topic I love. Food.
But Anna, do you know how to order food in English? Or do you just point at the picture and say, this?
Hey, pointing is a language. But okay, sometimes I feel shy. I want to sound cool, not like a tourist.
Then this lesson is for you. To all our hungry listeners, if you want to order food like a pro, please click the subscribe button right now.
Yes, click it before I eat the microphone.
So Anna, imagine this. You walk into a nice restaurant in New York or London. You smell the food. You see the people. What is the first thing you do?
I run to a table and sit down.
No, no, no. You cannot just run in. That is rude. You have to speak to the host first.
The host? The person at the door?
Yes. Today, we will learn the full process. 1. Getting a table. 2. Ordering food without sounding rude. 3. Paying the bill.
Okay, teach me, Leo. I don't want to be rude. I just want to be full.
Step 1. The entrance. If the restaurant is popular, you usually need a reservation.
Reservation. That means I called them before, right?
Exactly. You say, I have a reservation under the name Anna.
But Leo, I am lazy. I didn't call. I just walked in.
Okay, if you have no reservation, you need to ask for a table. Don't say, I want table. Say, a table for 2, please.
A table for 2, please. That is easy. What if I'm alone? A table for 1, please?
Perfect. Always use please. It's the magic word in English restaurants.
Okay, so I smile and say, Hi, a table for 1, please. I am very hungry.
Ideally, leave out the very hungry part. But yes, the waiter says, follow me, please, and you sit down. Now you're sitting. The waiter gives you the menu.
The menu, my favorite book. I read it from cover to cover.
The menu usually has 3 parts: starters or appetizers, main courses, and desserts.
What is a starter? Is it like a car starter?
No, a starter or appetizer is small food you eat first, like soup, salad, or chicken wings.
Oh, I love chicken wings. And the main course is the big meal, right?
Yes, the burger, the steak, the pasta.
Okay, I'm ready to order. What do I say? I want burger?
Stop. I want is a little too direct. It's not very polite. Bad English, I want burger. Good English, I would like the burger, please. Natural English, I'll have the burger, please.
I'll have. That's short for I will have, right?
Yes, I'll have the pizza. I'll have the chicken salad. It sounds friendly and natural.
Let me try.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the tomato soup to start, and I'll have the big hamburger for the main course.
Excellent. And don't forget the drink.
I'll have a Coke, please.
Perfect. But Anna, what if you look at the menu and you feel confused?
Oh, yes, too many choices.
Then you ask for a recommendation.
Recommendation. That is a long word.
You can simply say, what do you recommend?
That means, what is delicious here, right?
Exactly. The waiter might say, "The fish is excellent today," and you can trust them. So, you ordered. The food comes.
Finally, I eat everything. Num, num, num.
Slow down, Tiger. The waiter usually comes back after a few minutes. He asks, "Is everything okay?"
And I say, it is delicious.
Delicious. That means very, very good.
Yes, this burger is delicious.
But, Anna, what if the burger has onions and you hate onions?
Oh no, I forgot to say. I hate onions. They make me cry.
When you order, you can make adjustments. You say, "I'll have the burger, but no onions, please."
No onions, please. Can I say extra cheese, please?
Yes, no onions, extra cheese. You are the boss of your burger.
Good, because a burger without cheese is just sad meat.
Now you've finished the burger, you're full.
I am full, but my heart wants something sweet.
Ah, there is always room for dessert. Cake, ice cream, fruit.
I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
Good choice. Now the meal is over. Time for the painful part, the money.
Oh no, do I have to wash dishes?
No, you ask for the bill in the UK or the check in the US.
Okay, I say, excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Exactly. The waiter brings the paper. You pay with cash or card.
Can I leave now?
Wait. In many countries, especially the US, you leave a tip.
Tip, like advice. Tip, don't eat yellow snow.
No, a tip is extra money for the waiter, usually 15% or 20%. It means thank you for good service.
Okay, if the burger is $20, I leave a few extra dollars.
Yes, if you don't tip in America, the waiter will be very sad.
I don't want sad waiters. I will leave a tip. Wow, Leo, I feel like I just ate a full meal.
Let's review our restaurant journey.
Okay, number 1, entrance. A table for 2, please. Number 2, menu. Look at starters and main courses. Number 3, ordering. Use I'll have or I would like. Number 4, help. Ask what do you recommend? Number 5, payment. Ask for the bill or check and leave a tip.
Perfect, Anna. You are ready to travel the world and eat everything.
I am ready, but first I need to practice. Leo, can I take your order?
Okay, I'll have a pizza.
Sorry, we are out of pizza. We only have ice cubes.
Worst restaurant ever. Ordering food in English is easy when you are polite. Use please, thank you, and I would like.
Yes. Don't be a caveman. Be a polite customer.
Now, question of the day.
Tell us, what is your favorite food to order in a restaurant? Pizza, sushi, pho?
Write your sentence using I would like or I'll have.
I'll have 10 pizzas. Write that if you are hungry like me.
Thank you for listening to Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Share this with your hungry friends. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.